So in Veculim, we've got a ability for you, if you're using the professional version, to analyze what your purchases are over a particular period. So you can pick a month or a quarter, and so in this particular case, we're going to go to we're going to measure the last quarter. So we want to see what we've done for the last quarter. So that's 1st of Jan to the 31st of March. And it's going to break it down per supplier. And I've just randomized the numbers of the names of these suppliers. It's going to break it down per supplier, per accounting period, or per month, should I say. So if I'm wanting to sort by supplier and I want to sort by each of those by month, and I can just click on the header and then control click on that header, and then it'll sort by supplier by month. And then so then each supplier, well, you can see exactly what you've purchased from that supplier in that particular period. So in this case, this supplier 5368962, I didn't purchase anything in January, but I did for that supplier. I basically purchased a bunch in all 3 periods. And then once I've got that, I can obviously send that to a Excel spreadsheet and then do a tally up of that. And I can use that to reporting or whatever the case is. So I'll just quickly do that. I want to quickly go over to quickly head over to our Excel spreadsheet, and then obviously we can do whatever we need to in that Excel spreadsheet and take it from there. So yeah, just a nifty way of being able to assess your suppliers. And there's a percentage in there which gives you a percentage spend, and if obviously you analyzing it over a month, then it'll show the month percentage spend per each supplier. And this is useful for a BEE reporting, so that you can load the BE level of each supplier and then see the percentage, and then if you're needing to do a BEE analysis, you can use that for that. So yeah, I trust you find that helpful.